Hi everyone, this is Mandy Friend Gigliotti and
hi guys, Abby Friend.
And we are with the Friend team here in Rochester, New York, and today we want to talk about our latest episode of Friday with Friends. Friday with Friends is our opportunity to answer the questions that are happening in the marketplace so that if you or your friends or family have any real estate needs, you'll think of us and we'll be your realtor of choice to help you.
Perfect. So today on Friday with Friends, we talked about the 4 things that you can do that are spring cleaning that are great for your house and your pocketbook. So Number 1 is really evaluating the exterior of your house. Seeing what happened after a long winter, looking at the siding, the roof, the gutters, and making sure that any water that's coming through is getting drained away from the house, really to protect the foundation and your house in general.
And then the second piece is that water, when it's coming in, to make sure it's going to the right spot. So into the basement, we're talking about making sure the drains are clear, any floor drains, make sure that your sump pump's working, and also making sure you have that dehumidifier going.
Of course. Number 3 is checking on your furnace and your AC. Especially this time of year with that AC, we want to make sure that they're working in good shape and they're clean and ready to go.
Yes, and then the last thing, which is my favorite, is the tip about ceiling fans. When you are in the summer, you want your ceiling fan turning in a counterclockwise position, which makes it so that you're feeling that wind chill. And then in the winter, you want it to be going clockwise so that it's circulating all of the air, so it's the warm air is all evenly spread out around your house. So really making sure that your ceiling fan is in the right direction.
Good tip.
I know, isn't that so fun? So that's all we have for you. Tune into our Facebook page or on our website to see our full Facebook Live. Visit us at www.friendonyourside for any other ways that we can help you, your friends, or your family buy, sell, or invest in real estate.
Perfect. Thanks, guys.
Thanks for listening.
Bye.